Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash. I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, before I begin the video, I have a lot to discuss today. Okay. So first and foremost, let's discuss about Telegram. So my dear friends, okay, you guys must already know that there are lots of scams going on in my name in Telegram. So please stay away from groups like this. For example, you can see this group has almost 10,000 members, and sadly, this is not my real group. Okay, this is a scam going on in my name, Trader Next Door Real. You can see this group has around 5,000 members, and this is also a scam going on in my name. I have already contacted police, authorities, cyber crime department, and to be honest, okay, they are not of much help. So my dear friends, please stay away from these groups because the investment schemes they are showing, okay, are just scams. Are just scams because today in the morning I received an email where a person has invested around 10,000 rupees, around 130 $140, okay, and when he's trying to withdraw the money, they are asking for another 50,000 rupees, or they are asking for another $700, saying that to withdraw the profit, okay, you need to deposit more. So this is the scam, okay, going on. So please stay away from groups like this. Yes, I do have a community in the Telegram that I have opened recently, okay, and it's just the Trader Next Door Academy for learning purpose. Okay, so you'll find a link in the description, and stay away from scams. The second announcement is the winner of the last giveaway. So Slide 3 is the winner of our last giveaway. So Slide 3, okay, congratulations. Okay, you have won a $5,000 challenge account from Fund Your FX. So feel free to contact me. You can email me or WhatsApp me. You will see my contact details on the screen right now. Just text me or email me ASAP so that I can process the account for you. So Slide 3, congratulations. And yes, we have another giveaway. So if you want to win a $5,000 challenge account from Fund Your FX, then please write down in the comment section why you deserve, or like something beautiful in the comment section so that we can select your comment and pick you as winner. And those who don't know Fund Your FX, it's an award-winning prop firm operating since 2021. The unique feature of Fund Your FX is that they provide profit split up to 95%, weekly payouts, funding up to $3 million. And the best part is that there is no daily drawdown. Yes, there is only overall drawdown, there is no daily drawdown. And they also provide instant funding. So if you do not want to go for these challenges, phase 1, phase 2, okay, you can directly go for instant funding as well. And obviously, okay, you can go for phase 1, phase 2 evaluation as well. Okay, those are cheaper, but mostly people, okay, want instant funding. I know. So if you want, you can go for instant funding as well. All the links are on the website, and you will find a link in the description. You can use also my coupon Avilash10. Okay, you will get a 10% additional discount. Okay, now let's talk about gold. Gold tipped to hit greater heights. Gold gains ground as dollar wavers on tariff jitters. Gold rises on safe haven demand. So my dear friends, the safe haven market sentiment is dominating gold again, because of which we can see that gold is no longer forming lower lows. And at this moment, we can see that the market is somewhat sideways. For the last few days, gold was under heavy selling pressure. Gold was continuously forming lower lows. Selling pressure was quite high. But still, we were optimistic because in absence of any news, whenever selling comes, it is a technical correction. And obviously, it was very important for gold also because gold was continuously going up. There was no proper correction, no proper retracement. Without proper retracement or correction, there cannot be another high. So when the selling came, it was healthy for gold. And market took support beautifully around 2950 on the daily chart. Yeah, this is a daily chart. And now it seems that gold is ready to go up again, because the trend of the market is still bullish on the overall chart. Okay, and the market sentiment is also bullish. So if gold goes up from here, there should not be any surprise. So my dear friend, if you have any buy on gold right now, okay, you can hold your buy position with a stop loss below 2950. Yes, stop loss is going to be a big one because market is very volatile. If gold breaks 2950, the whole story will change again. But as of now, let's be optimistic and hope for a reversal on gold. Okay, but again I'm repeating, we are traders. Okay, we cannot predict the market. Okay, we can only react according to the situation. So if gold breaks 2950, okay, things will change again and we can look for a sell below it. Means you need to be switching sides again. Okay, so if market breaks 2950, as we have already discussed in a previous video also, that gold will be heading towards 2850 because of the large number of contracts. I do not want to go there again because I do not want to waste your time. So let's look at the levels for the day. So right now gold is trading around 3009, 3010 area. So if gold goes down from the current level or gold slips below 3000 level, okay, the next best support on the chart of gold is around 2962, 2955. Yesterday we got a very nice bounce from a support around 2973. Today's support is 2962, 2955. Why? Because market bounced from this area previously. And 2950 is a not wrong number, round number, psychological support. So I will not suggest any sell position around this area, because if we take a sell, there is a possibility of getting trapped. I'm not saying that gold will not go down at all. It is not, no, nothing like that. See, we are traders. Okay, we need to take the trades that have a higher chance of winning. So here, if we take a buy around 296 to 55 area, we have a higher chance of making money. But if market breaks 2950 during the US session, then we can look for a sell. But as of now, let's go with the possibility of market going up from here, because on the daily market is bullish and the market sentiment is also bullish right now. Okay, so 296255 is the best support where we can look for a buy. But the problem is that 2962 is little far away. So before the US session, my dear friend, we can also look for a buy around 299596 area and then 2985. These are the two levels where we can look for a buy before the US session for a stop loss of 50 pips and a target of 50 to 80 pips. Means your risk to reward will be around 1 is to 1.5 or 2, max 2, not more than that, because these levels are not very strong levels like 2973 or 296255. Okay, these are levels that can just give you a bounce for a single candle. Okay, and we have derived this level with the help of FIBO. Okay, we have derived these levels with the help of FIBO. Here you can see, my dear friend, this is a FIBO 38.2% retracement level and 2995, and we are considering 298586 because of FIBO 61.8. Okay, and the previous resistance will be working as support here as well. And during the day, because see, I'm recording the video in the Asian session, so obviously market will go up, isn't it? So for example, market makes a high of, let's say, 2301617. So during the day, okay, if you want to find out, switch to 50 minutes chart and just draw FIBO like this. So it may change also. For example, if market makes a high of 3020, then obviously your next support zone to buy gold will be 3009, 3003. So you need to, okay, draw FIBO accordingly. I'm teaching you this because the market condition changes. You can also join our Telegram community also. I also post there as well. Okay, but it is better for you to learn so that you can trade independently, isn't it? And if market goes up from here, okay, then we can look for a sell around 303438 that we discussed yesterday also. This resistance is still very much valid. You must remember, okay, why we are considering it 303438, because of previous resistance around this area, as well as we also have FIBO 38.2% retracement level. Okay, and when we are considering the highs also, we can see that there is a good chance of market taking resistance. So 303438 is a good resistance during the day. If market remains like this, yes, if you see market remains like this, then you can look for a sell around this area. If you see that suddenly there is a heavy green candle, then obviously it will not work. Use your common sense. But if you see market going up like this, then you can easily look for a sell. Okay, and 3022 is also a high risk selling opportunity. Personally, I may avoid. Okay, I'm not sure whether I'm going to take here or not, but I'm going to take a sell here. So if you see any opportunity around 3022, okay, for a sell, you can go for it. And as we have discussed many times also, that to continue the upside, gold needs to break 3056. So during the US session or after, okay, if market breaks 305658 area, we can look for a buy at breakout as well. But as of now, chances are little less. So I feel that we may see gold sideways for the next 1 or 2 days. Simple words, if market fails also to cross the resistance of 305657, there's a chance that, okay, after this big downside, okay, market may consolidate like this, and then market may shoot up again, because before any breakout, a consolidation is important. Okay, so again, I'm repeating, my dear friends, in simple words, gold was in heavy correction, but gold surviving above 2950 shows that the support of 2950 work, and the market sentiment is also bullish right now. So there's a good chance that market may go up from here. So if you have any buy, you can hold your buy position. Okay, and if you're looking for fresh position in the market, then it's better for you to stick to the levels. And if things change and if gold breaks 2950, okay, we will have another selling opportunity below 2950. But as of now, chances of market going up or gold to be in consolidation is high. So if gold comes down, then the previous support around 296255 is the best support where we can look for a buy position. And 29 below 2950, I do not recommend any sell opportunity. If market comes down during the day around 299596 or 2985 area, we can look for a buy position around these areas for 50 to 80 pips. But we can see right now while recording, the market is moving. So as I showed you that you can use the Fibonacci, okay, to derive new levels, because obviously the levels will change during the day, isn't it? And if market goes up, the yesterday's selling opportunity around 303438 is still valid. Okay, high risk selling opportunity around 3022. If you want to take, you can go for it. Personally, I may skip it. And 3056, 3055, okay, this area is the main area as of now. If market reverses, then also I think in next 1 or 2 days, 3 days, market will try to break the level again. And if market goes for a breakout, we can look for a buy above 3058 that we have already discussed many times. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.